Hi there, let's look at some Victorinox Timekeepers. These are examples from the Dave Arnold collection. The Timekeeper was a knife that was based on the Victorinox Compact, a simple two-layer 91mm knife. But in addition to the regular compact tools, they had a Swiss timepiece embedded in the front scale. So as a compact, it had the combo tool, screwdriver, cap lifter, can opener, wire bender, main blade with a tang stamp of Officier Swiss and Victorinox Switzerland stainless rust fry, and a pair of scissors. They also, like compacts, came with two scale tools on the back, a toothpick, and a pen, but no tweezers. And also included in the corkscrew, a mini screwdriver. And then you would have the multi-purpose hook. These do not have a file on the inside. But this is what makes it a Timekeeper. This is a Swiss-made timepiece, and there were two versions of the face. What you see here with Roman numerals, and then there was a version with Arabic numerals. You can see the stem here where you could set the time. The way this worked, if I can get my finger in here, let's try this one, is the entire clock would come out, and you could replace the battery here, and then it just snaps back into the scale. So we have an example here in black, and this one has UBS, which is a Big Swiss bank, on the back. And this one has LL Bean on the back. And this one comes in its original case with papers, but I believe here they are, with the original papers. Now, in addition to the Timekeeper, there was the Super Timer based on the Swiss Champ. So you have all the tools of the Swiss Champ, the two scale tools on the back, and the timepiece. Now here you can see the Arabic numerals. Those are three great examples of the Timekeeper and Super Timer from Dave Arnold's collection. Thanks for watching, and have fun collecting.